is Jae Jae eating a rawhide. This is right. Yeah? Okay. And what are you doing with your rawhide here? Huh? Yeah, you want to share? Just want to show that Jae Jae has no food or treat aggression. So put my fingers in the mouth. Let's take the bone or the rawhide from him. Yep. Good boy. You want? Yeah. Okay. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Good boy. We'll also pull the collar. You know, just some dogs get really aggressive when pulling the collar when eating. Absolutely fine. And another dog here. And no dog aggression too with food. Hey, that's Jae Jae's. That's not for you. You have one here. Come, Sandy. Sandy, this is yours. This is yours. Yeah. Yeah. It's another puppy eating here. Everybody has their own rawhide. Well, we have plenty here. Everybody has 2 or even 3. Isn't that yummy? Isn't that yummy? You want a bigger one? Or is this one more yummy? Which one is more yummy? Okay, this one. Okay, you get this one too.